she went away. I'm coming to see her real soon, I hope. He choked back a big lump that rose in his throat. He sealed it and wrote on that big envelope, to God up in heaven, you get it, I hope. He stamped it and handed it to her to mail. Her big eyes were shining, her little face pale. She was crossing the street to the box on the way, and when she stepped out, never looked either way. A big motor hit her and sped away fast. The little girl's prayers had been answered at last. The postman was passing and picked up the note, addressed to the master, and these words he spoke. Straight up into heaven this letter did go. She's happy up there